Hello Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. To all of my day one subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. To all of the new subscribers, thank you guys for taking a chance on this new face. Thank you for subscribing. I want to thank everyone, even the viewers who have not subscribed, because I still see that the majority of my viewers are not subscribers, and I hope that you guys will change your mind as time goes on. But if you're new here, my name is Lori. And in this community, we strive to educate, motivate, and inspire each other in all things travel related. I'm thanking you because we have finally reached 500 subscribers. So excited for that. It's almost exactly a year from when I posted my first video. It was last February 2023. That I decided, you know what, I'm just going to give it a shot, not try to be a perfectionist about it. And since then, looking from the first video to this video, as you can see, I've gotten a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera. I've gotten a little bit better with my editing skills and the music in the background and all of that stuff. Oh, the music in the background was way too loud, but I love music. We got an upgraded camera and all of that. But I thank you for sticking with me and for giving me constructive feedback, and knowing that I wouldn't be broken if you told me, you know, what it was that needed to be changed or fixed or improved upon, and for giving me ideas for topics for the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so let's get right into this video. I know you want to hear about the giveaway, and yes, I will talk about the giveaway, but for those who are not here for that, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the Priority Pass access card, and then we'll come back to how you engage for the giveaway. We talked before about airline credit cards and how they have very many benefits, from upgrading your flights for free or for flying you for free, depending on the amount of miles you have or your status with that company. Well, another great benefit from airline credit cards is access to airport lounges. And airport lounges have become quite a big deal for a lot of people because they have become a lot more attainable to the everyday traveler. They used to be just for first class and business class travelers. However, now us mere mortals can actually have access to a lounge. And this year, for the very first time, I had my first airport lounge experience. Yes, I know. Cheers, round of applause. I am not the type to get to the airport early. And even when I have, say, a break or a layover, I either try to have a very short layover or I'm doing something actively during that layover. So I have something planned that I need to do. So I'm either trying to get my steps in, or I'm trying to go to a specific store in the airport, or I'm just trying to make phone calls or whatever it is. And so I don't think about the lounge as a space for that. However, if you are a regular to the channel, you will remember that last year, trying to come back from Italy, I ended up being rerouted to Turkey and blah, 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 and I spent the night at Istanbul airport. And if I had access to an airport lounge, I surely would have rather spend the night in the airport lounge than sitting on a seat or walking around that airport, even though it's a 24-hour airport. Beautiful world-class shopping, but I was too tired and too frustrated and too upset, quite frankly, to even participate in any of the retail therapy that was available there to me. I don't even think I ate. I maybe had a bit of baklava and some hot tea, and that was it. But I really would have taken advantage of it. So I said this year I'm going to change that because I'm going to be traveling a whole lot more, especially internationally, and I wanted to participate in a program. Now, I don't have any of those airline credit cards that would gain me access to those premium clubs because I was not, willing to pay $695 a year or what have you. And I don't live in an area where a lot of those other lovely benefits would benefit me, because I don't have an Equinox gym, or I don't use Grubhub, and I don't have, Uber easily at my disposal here. And so for me, in a smaller town, it doesn't work. However, if you're in a more metropolitan city, perhaps that is best for you. And so I didn't see the need to just pay $695 a year just to access airport lounges. So I did some research, and I found that Priority Pass is a provider of a lot of those lounge accesses through those cards. So I said, well, can I just buy a Priority Pass membership? And yes, you can. I went to the Priority Pass website, and there are different tiers of membership that you can purchase. I didn't go for the lower one. I did some research, and people said, well, if you travel at least, I can't remember how many flights per year, you should get the second tier. And so I went for the second tier and not the third tier. However, my first experience using Priority Pass to gain access to a lounge was basically not a lounge. It was kind of like a cubicle space with a door. And I guess if I needed to shower or anything like that, I would have that experience. So I will insert that footage here for you and narrate exactly what is going on. So basically, I looked at the Priority Pass website and I saw that I did not have any other options for the terminal that I was going to be in than to go to one of these minute suites. And basically, I asked a lady who was the attendant at the entrance to the minute suites what needed to be done. She needed to see my Priority Pass on my phone. I showed her that on the app. I also gave her a credit card because she said that was in case of incidentals and if I wanted to continue for more than an hour, but that an hour was included in my Priority Pass membership and it would count as a visit towards the 10 visits that came with my Standard Plus membership. And this is the room that was a lounge space. This was the best lounge space available to me. Enough space for me to stretch, enough space for me to walk around. There were no snacks included, just a mint. There were snacks available on the desk that you can purchase, but I did not do so. This is me just checking out the AC. I couldn't even change that. So yeah, that was pretty disappointing. And I wondered if I had wasted my money in getting into that lounge space. And then I went back to the site and I researched and I saw that most of the lounges are located in different parts of the world, not in the US, but overseas. And then it showed where some of the best ones were. And so this time, flying out this year, going to London, I decided to route myself through Atlanta. And I said I was going to try the Atlanta lounge. Well, I didn't get to the gate in time to go back to the lounge and do all of those things. And I had my hand was in a brace and it was too much going on. So I didn't get a chance to do that, to check out the Atlanta lounge. But I saw from the pictures and heard from the reviews that it's really nice. So if you guys have been to the Atlanta lounge, please let me know. However, I did get a chance to go to one of the lounges in London at Heathrow Airport.
So this is Club Aspire in Terminal 3. As you can see, it was very crowded. I was trying not to get people's faces in the shots. However, it was very crowded. People were just laying everywhere. There was a buffet style food set up. So I guess people were just trying to stay out of the crowds outside of the lounge, but it did not feel very loungy to me. It felt cramped. It felt hassled. It was noisy. And there was buffet food out there. There was a line for the restroom and people, I guess, trying to go get a shower or something. I tried a little bit of the coffee. I was tired, trying to wake up. Coffee tasted burnt, and I'm not a coffee expert by any means. And then also trying to find a seat was difficult. I found a seat by a window across from someone else, picked up a few bites of some kind of a potato hash, and went to the gate and got on my flight because it was just too uncomfortable there to sit.
That was quite different. It actually was a lounge and there were a lot of other people around. So maybe if you prefer the privacy of having your own space and some quiet time and some time to take a nap or something like that, then those rooms are better for you as opposed to the open lounge and the open food and the open, just people talking and walking and the crowdedness and everything, the bustling about that occurs. Well, that was my Priority Pass experience. If you have any questions about what I experienced, and if your experience has been different, if I should continue this process or if I should just go for one of the credit cards, you guys let me know down below know, because I don't know very many people who travel as much as I do. And I know some people who travel for business and they go, business class or first class, and they utilize the lounges as a part of that, but they're being compensated by their companies to do so. And so the company's buying the ticket, or at least reimbursing their ticket costs. So I would like to know, for those of you who are using your own money for this, are you doing it through credit cards, or are you doing it through Priority Pass? Is there another one that's better that I should be using? I just don't know. I'm fumbling here in the dark because I'm not usually a posh, sit in a lounge type of girl. I'm usually up and walking about and doing things. But let me know, should I become that kind of a girly in 2025? Because I think my membership will expire in September or October of 2024. And so I may either get a card that grants me access, or I may just purchase the access independently of that. So now let me insert the bit about the giveaway. As promised, for reaching 500 subscribers, what I will do is give away a $50 Amazon e-gift card. And what you need to do is, number one, be a subscriber to the channel. And number two, you need to go down below in the comment section and just comment. You can either tell me about your experience with the Priority Pass or what have you, at least 4 words, okay? So I would like to hear at least something like, woohoo, we made it, whatever, but at least a 4-word comment under this video. And like I said, the YouTube machine, I've not used this before, so please bear with me. But according to all the research I've done, it does the picking through the comments and chooses the winner. And then I will notify you. Just make sure that you check your email, because I will go through and contact you via email. That will be the way that we do it. When we reach 1,000 followers, I wish to give away a $100 gift card. And I hope that you use the gift cards to purchase something that will grant you an amazing experience. I was trying to think up what kind of a travel experience can I gift, but I think everyone is different. And so I'd rather give you the Amazon gift card so you can get, the phone charger to take on your trips with you, or, packing cubes, or luggage scale or luggage straps or something like that to help make your experience better when you're traveling. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know. So be a subscriber, comment down below on this video, and I will have the drawing on Wednesday. This same week here that you're seeing the video, today is Sunday, I'll have the drawing. Let me pop the date on the screen so you will see Eastern Standard Time by 6 p.m. I will conduct that drawing, and I will post it on the community page so you will see who the winner is as well. As always, thank you guys so very much for watching. Again, thank you for riding with me. Thank you for sticking with your girl. I hope that you're having a great day wherever you are. Remember to value experiences over things, because travel is one of the very few things we buy that truly